Good morning, sir. And I am the next reporter in the Chapter 3, Fire Code of the Philippines and its rules and regulation. The Fire Code of the Philippines is implemented to ensure public safety, promote economic development through the prevention and supervision of all kinds of destructive fires and promote the professionalization of the fire service as a profession. That's why there in the Philippines there is Bureau of Fire Protection pertaining to the implementation in ensuring public safety and promote economic development and to promote promote prevention and protection by the cause of fire. That's why there is one Bureau of Fire Protection in the Philippines. Toward this end, the state shall enforce all law, rules, and regulation to ensure adherence to standard for prevention and safety measures and promote accountability in the fire protection and prevention service. That's why in the Philippines there is a law pertaining to the fire. That's why that in RA 9514, the Fire Code of the Philippines, that implement that that implementing rules and regulation pertaining to how to protect and prevent fire destruction. Coverage. These are the coverage of rules and regulation pertaining to Fire Code of the Philippines. Number one is all person, all private and public buildings, facilities or structure and their premises erected or constructed before and after the effect activity hereof, means that in making buildings and facility structures kailangan na sila mga qualification na gisunod og mga rules na gipangsunod or on making buildings and so on facilities structures even public so that ma-prevent ang maong fire kay naay mga causes sa fire pertaining sa building tataan ang kuan ni interruption of to short circuit na mga cause ang mga sayop-sayop ang mga wiring, mga cause na siya mga pagsunog sa building. Munang in constructed building kailangan gi-implement po na ang natlay mga requirements or mga rules and regulations na gisunod para mugama og building. Then C, design and installation mechanical, electronics and electrical system relative to fire protection means that in making a building kailangan making a building na siya gi-require na unsaon pagbutang sa mga wirings para dili siya wakat, para dili siya maka-cause og fire being and fault circuit interruption kanang mo na maka-cause ng masunog ang sa building tungod sa fault na pagbutang sa mga wire sa usa ka building or usa ka facility or usa ka structure constructed building. Then manufacturing, storage, handling and other use of transportation or of explosive and other combustible flammable liquid and gases, toxic and other materials and operation under waste. Also coverage Japon ang maong mga manufacturing in handling kanang mga transportation explosive combustible flammable kay ilang gipang manufacture or ilang gipang transport is maka-cause og fire mo nang very restricted kina ilahang kailangan na jud na sila mga certificate pertaining of og paggamaan ng mga manufactured kay it can cause fire destruction if dili nila makuha ang wala sila ni implement og rules and regulation pertaining to Fire Code of the Philippines. Then fire safety planning, design, structure, repair, maintenance, rehabilitation and demolition, fire protective and warning equipment or system, which means that kanang makita nato sa building tapos anang one fire alarms, smoke sensors, muna siya yung usas mga requirements sa usa ka building para ma-aware ang mga tao na in that pertinent area building na naay sunog para ma-aware sila. Tapos all land transportation vehicles, equipment, vessel or ship or vessel docked or wharves or anchor in seaport, which means that kanang mga transportation pertaining sa kuan sa land or sa atong mga vessel kanang kailangan ibutang nyo na siya sa saktong butanganan or kung sa kuan ba siya or sa dagat po na siya atong mga ship na gasulod og mga petroleum nagdala og mga oil, kailangan ibutang niya sa daplin dagat para ma-secure ba para dili maka-cause og fire o kanang pong transportation kanang mga truck na to, mga tangke na to dala og flammable liquid na ba sa mga restriction, kailangan ibutang na siya saktong butanganan dili kay subsig asara kay basig na ay mga bungbuang na basig ilang madagkutan ba ding makakos na nagkasunog noon. Then petroleum industry installation muna siya usa pod sa mga coverage sa rules and regulations in Fire Code of the Philippines is sila may ga-produce sa oil mo nang very restricted kay na ilang industry pertaining to petroleum kay ang petroleum is one of the one of the materials that can make fire. Assistance and support to the BFP. The BFP cannot perform their job very well without the support from different government agencies. The support of the agencies is mandated under the Fire Code of the Philippines to ensure the welfare and safety of the public, which means that BFP cannot perform their job very well without the support of other agencies, just like for example the PNP and our LGU and so on. From Philippine National Police. Upon request, the PNP National Police assisted the Chief PFP or his duly representative on the following actions. A. During actual firefighting operation and fire scene investigation. Also, makatabang po ang PNP pertaining sa during actual firefighting sa mga BFP, sila po'y usa sa mga mutabang kay ang first responder jud sa usa ka sunog is ang ato yung PNP, tapos sila na second responder ang BFP. Kay ang PNP also sila po'y usa mo prevent na ang mga tao is musulod sa area where the fire is occurred. Murag sila may mutabang ba na mapalayo ang tao para ang mga ang pag-apula sa sunog sa mga bombero is tawhay na wala na sila problemahon, ilan lang problemahon sa nila pag-apula ang sunog. Then business closure and summary abatement proceeding. Installation of sign that the building structure is a fire hazard and on fire top, which means that also our PNP can also help the BFP pertaining to cordoning the area where the fire occurred para ang mga civilian dili makasulod sa fire hazard or fire trap na kay ug para pud dakuang chance na mapula ang sunog kay walay maka-interrupt sa mga BFP na pag-apula sa sunog. Tapos installation obstruction of this designated fire lines and fire hydrant. Also ang mga ang mga makahelp po ang mga PNP pertaining to fire lines and fire hydrant kanang makita nimo sa mga kilid-kilid sa kalsada, also kanang kilid-kilid sa mga establishment na murag tubo dira na gamay na murag tupong sa imong hawak na pwedeng dia ang source sa tubig diya magsulod ang source sa tubig. Tapos apprehension of violators, person removing, destroying, comparing, or obliterating warning sign and similar abatement apparatus, which means also ang PNP po yung makatabang sa BFP pertaining sa mga buluyago na mga tao na ganahan yung mag-interrupt anang kuan, mag-interrupt sa example, mag-interrupt ng mga tao sa kanang naisunog, dili makagimok pag-ayo ang mga atong mga bumbero kay napay mga tao, mga civilian ang sulod sa area of where the fire occurred. Muna ang PNP po usas mutabang para mupawa ang mga ay para mabutang sa safe na lugar ang mga civilian. Tapos such other duties and functions of the BFP which would essentially require police assistance. From local government unit and other government agencies shall render necessary assistance on the following duties of the BFP. A. Strict observance of the requirement of the safety measures for the issuance of Fire Safety Inspection Certificate FSIC as a prerequisite in the grant of renewal of business, company, and other related permit license, which means that also makatabang po niya itong local government unit pertaining sa BFP pertaining sa kanang paggama og mga certificate sa for example sa usa ka building or establishment. Ang atong BFP ang mo inspect ana is ang requirements pertaining to fire protection and prevention is na-acquired pertaining fire safety inspection certificate. Kailangan ang usa ka building or usa ka company or usa ka facility manufacturing incorporation, kailangan na po sila certificate na nagapamatuod na ang ilahang building or facility is being inspected by the fire officer pertaining to the qualification na safety ang ilahang building pertaining to fire. Then organization of training of fire brigade in all barangays in partnership with BFP to serve as the first responder, which means kaning napo sila gitawag og fire brigade in all barangay partnership. Kailangan napoy part or relationship between the barangays and the Bureau of Fire Protection para na coordination ba in case of naay fire na may tabos barangay, din daling makaresponde ang mga fire officer.
And also those person in the barangay is the one in the barangay who first respond for the case of fire destruction.
In summary, abatement, closure, and other spottage of operation of building structure or portion thereof, and such other duties and function of the Bureau of Fire Protection which would essentially require assistance katong mga mutabang mga LGU atong LGU local government unit kana atong mga tawo sa barangay muna siya usat mga tabang mga responder mga usat mga makatabang sa mga BFP in case of na mga emergency pertaining to fire at mga assistance makaginog assistance ang BFP nila. Other law enforcement agencies such as but not limited to National Bureau of Investigation and Philippine National Police Crime Laboratory shall upon request accommodate and render necessary assistance on the following function of the BFP. A. The laboratory physical examination of the pieces of evidence gathered in the fire scene and submitted the result of the Chief BFP on his duly representative at the case may be. Also, ang makatabang po sa Bureau of Fire Protection is ang ato ang mga laboratory or ang physical examination pertaining to, for example, ang usa ka case is fire tabo, then sila may ni-responde, then naman din na siya gitawag og fire officer, inspector or investigator pertaining to area na unsay na-gathered nilang mga pieces of evidence dito na ma-examine whether ang cause sa sa kuan sa kalayo is accidented or not accidented, or kuan ni siya tungod ba ni siya sa kuan mga electrical circuit nang ikasunog, appliances nung nasunog, or gituyo yun siya by means of arson. Tapos in the investigation and prosecution of arson cases appear an expert witness there of witness also mahimo po expert witness ang nas ato ang laboratory, because sila may nag-examine, and also our BFP na ni conduct og investigation or ni collect sa mga evidence, also mahimo mo siya one witness sa pertaining to the one prosecutor. Sila po may mag-witness ana in hearing pertaining that case of investigation for parang na sunog or arson mo na siya or natuan mo na siya, is natural ra ba na siya nasunog tungod sa appliances or mga circuit. Such other duties and function of the BFP which required their expertise. Ato sa mga expertise sa mga laboratory, sila may mo-examine sa mga nag-gathered na evidence na nakuha sa mga atong mga fire officer, inspector, or investigator. From other agency support, national and local water work for providing sufficient source of water, especially in time of fire or conflagration, and for the establishment of fire hydrant in strategic areas, which means that ang ato pong national and local water work is usa sa mga mo-support sa mga agencies na mo-support sa Bureau of Fire Protection, because sila may gahatag og tubig sa atong mga bombero. For example, just sa Pai City na ay quadra just satellite dapit na ay murag tangke dira sa panang crossing dira SBG na dira mokuha og tubig ang atong mga bombero. Then electrical companies and cooperatives on the immediate cut off of electric main line, power line during fire or conflagration to avoid the danger of the people being electrocuted, which means that in the pertaining to a fire na giapulat atong mga bumbero, ang atong mga bumbero na pula ng sunog, then ang uso makatabang nila is ang kanang ato ang Noreco. For example, is ang balay na sunog or ang establishment na sunog, ang main line ana niya where nakataas ang usa ka building, muna siya pat yun para dili ma-grounded ang usa ka area, kay siba ko palayo ma-grounded ang madami pud atong mga bombero, ma-electrocuted sila. Munang tabang pud aning electrical company just like kanang atong Noreco diri Negros. Then Department of Transportation and Commutation on fire safety measures on all port and land transportation vehicles, traffic flow during fire operation, and establishment of effective communication system for the BP. Means that the Department of Transportation and Commutation usa ko ni just mga support sa for example is mo responde ang atong mga bombero or atong Bureau BFP usa ka incident pertaining to fire. Sila jud main priority anang dalan, sila jud og sila maagi sila may main priority para kay ilahang salba is ang ang nasunog na lugar, kay dako may damage na og dili mapula ang sa kasunog, dagan kayong casualties ang mahitabo og dili sila maka adto dayon sa taktong oras. Then munang makatabang po ang Department of Transportation, but sila may first priority ang BFP og sila moagi. Then Department of Education DepEd on institutionalizing the KIDOL or Junior Fire Marshal program in all preschool, elementary, and secondary education level, which means that also nag-support po ang DepEd sa BFP pertaining so anang mga activity or program na mo conduct ang PNP sa usa ka eskwelahan, conducting the prevention, protection o kung sa mga possible casualty mahitabo og kuan naisunog muna siya yung mga ilang mga gipang advocate para ma-aware po ng mga bata unsa ilang mga buhaton pertaining og naay sunog or unsay mga prevention para malikayan ang sunog muna gitudlo sa mga kuan BFP og mukandak sila kuan activity in the mga eskwelahan. Also, Commission of Higher Education said on coordinating with state academy institution to develop and promote fire safety engineering courses and postgraduate student on fire science and technology and development for testing laboratories, which means kanang for example sa ato ang program na basic criminology sa mga fourth year naman natlay OGT pertaining sa ato ang BFP para makabalo sila unsay mga dapat buhaton og dapat buhaton pertaining sa og naisunog unsay mga implementation, regulation, protection para malikayan na siya mga muna mga makatunan nimo og mag OJT ka pertaining so kuan kaning sa CHED. Department of Trade and Industry on instituting continuing development and enhancement of standard of fire protection and related fire and life safety facilities, equipage and system. Technical Education Skills Development Authority, TESDA, on providing and enhancing technical skills and known how a BFP personnel and fire volunteer organization as well as the subsequent accreditation certificate, which means napoy program sa TESDA pertaining to kuan ta educational skills of development kanang naposlay program na makakuha sila certificate sa TESDA pertaining to kanang mga anang mga volunteer kuan volunteer brigade kanang simutabang-tabang ba like certificate for example certificate makuha sila certificate para fire na sila nainga na sa TESDA. Tapos Department of Environment Natural Resources on providing pertinent information in the field of hazardous materials and hazardous waste management as well as collaboration of forest, fire and life safety program, which means that our DNR also can help the BFP pertaining to kanang sila may murag complainant or sila may musumbong pertaining sa forest fire or mga natural fire na may tabos atong forest or atong kalasangan. Sila po yung mga usat makatabang kay sila man po yung makabalo og naisunog. Sila may maka-complain dito or sila may maka-timbre sa atong mga bombero. Fire Brigade, Fire Volunteers Organization, and Fire Safety Practitioner. The implementing rules and regulation of 9514 shall govern the organization, equipage, operation, and proficiency training of company and community fire brigade as well as continuous training and competency evaluation fire volunteers and fire volunteer organization in the country shall undergo mandatory fire suppression, inspection, rescue, emergency medical service and other related emergency response training program and competency evaluations to be conducted by the BFP, which means that our fire brigade, fire volunteer organization, and fire safety practitioner is mo undergo nyo sila training para sa para sa atuang unsaon pagkuan sa pag-inspect, rescue, and making emergency medical in mga casualties sa mga mandatory training nila para makabalo sila og unsa ilang buhaton in terms of nanay sunog. Mura jud siya training jud siya na kuan nag-training sila para makabalo sila unsa ilang mga buhaton in terms na nanay sunog na mahitabo. Kay murag mandatory training nila na mag-training sila para unsa ilang mga buhaton in case na nanay sunog kabalo na sila unsa ilang buhaton. This also prescribe the continuous professional education, competency, evaluation, and recognition of fire safety practitioner to be conducted by the BFP. For this purpose, the term company shall include government and private office as building, which means that na gisunod na professional education, competency evaluation to recognition of fire safety professional nang nasla gisunod na training or mandatory training pertaining to the unsaon pag suppression, unsaon pag rescue, unsaon pag make medical service sa usa ka area where the crime occur, mga mga mandatory or mga basic na ilang mga buhaton in terms na naisunog na mahitabo. Organization. The organization of fire brigade is requirement to the following. 1. All businesses, establishment employing at least 50 persons shall, in addition to the requirement set forth under Section 7 of RA 9514 for the grant of Fire Safety Inspection Certificate, FSIS, establish on organization of fire brigade to deal with the fire and other related agencies, which means that ang establishment kailangan na siya at least 50 personnel para makakuha siya requirement for the maka-grant siya og requirement or sa building na at least 50 na mga personnel or employee ang naa dito para maka-grant siya certificate na fire safety inspection certificate and other related emergency. 2.
For buildings
having various
occupancy,
the building administrator and owner shall initiate the organization of the fire brigade in the premises respective on the number of occupants, which means that ang administrator sa building is iya yung ipabalo sa fire brigade na nag-inspect na og pila ka employee or pila ka tawo ang naa sa building or pila iyang empleyado or pila para ma-account para tanan para makabalo ang fire brigade or pila sila sa ilang company. Then 3. In cases where the fire brigade is already established for a building, said fire brigade shall be sufficient to comply with the requirements of implementing rules and regulation, which means that kailangan ang usa ka fire brigade is naa siya training and qualification and also should receive appropriate training and certification. Kailangan naa siya qualification na mahimo og fire brigade na siya qualification. All barangays shall likewise endeavor to organize their own fire brigade, which means that na magama sa mga barangay mga sitio natla magama natla ilang kaugalingong mga member na pertaining to mga kabalo mo apula og sunog para to improve response time and enhance preparedness. For example, response time kay di man jud nato na makuha na layo ng barangay din Navia City ng mga bumbero. Then para dili siya madako ang damage, ang casualty damage sa mga property o sa mga property sa nasunog. Then ang atong mga casualty dito sa atong barangay mga tanod sila may usa sa mga first responder na mutabang para mapula ang sunog para ma-minimize ang ang damage casualty sa sunog para maabot ang mga bumbero nato. Then okay na ning gamay na lamang ang trabahoon para dili pud ako ang damage kay layo ang barangay na nasunugan. Dili na siya basta-basta ma-add to dayon sa bumbero. Certificate of competency shall be issued to fire volunteers, member of fire brigade and fire safety protection, which means that kani silang mga volunteers member pertinent sa mga firefighter, mga atong mga BFP personnel, sila involved aning the and of the mandatory training and competency evolution conducted by the PFP upon submission of the following documentary requirements. Number 1, certificate of completion in if the fire suppression training. Kailangan mahimo ka og fire volunteer or fire brigade is kuan naka-undergo kag training na makakuha kag certificate na certified ka na naka-training ka ng usa ka kuan program nila sa BFP. Tapos also kuan personal profile or kuan baka kuan baka profile nimo BFP baka unsay pay kuan nimo mga
Mga eligibility nimo.
liability. Tapos certificate of employment in the case of fire safety practitioner, other document the BFP may require. Scope of training. All members of the fire brigade shall undergo training on fire suppression, rescue, emergency medical service, and related emergency response, which means that all members of the brigade should mo undergo na sila training, rescue, emergency medical para makabalo sila ug sa ilang mga buluhaton in case na nanan sila sa field sa ilahang trabaho na mo respond na og sunog. Tapos they shall be instructed on the hunting of available fire rescue apparatus, equipment, device, and tools, which means that in the training pod makabalo sila dira unsaon paggamit ang mga available na mga aparatus, equipment, devices, or tools na ilang magamit sa pag-apula sa sunog o nana sila sa field na mag-rescue or mag-apula na sila og sunog. Then 2, in the case of fire safety practitioner, they should undergo mandatory continuous professional education and competency evaluation of the expertise, knowledge, and skills in the area of fire science, engineering, and technology to be conducted by the BFP, which means ug nana ka sa organization og BFP na siya gitawag dira og ranking or mga mag-schooling para motaas ang imuhang continue ang imong professional education and competency evaluation for expertise, knowledge, and skills. Muna na sila yung mga schooling na gitawag para mutako ilang mga rangko para Tapos enforcement of administration of fire safety measures. A, inspection of all buildings, structure, facilities, and premises, hazardous operations, storage facilities, and transportation vehicles of hazardous materials, and determine of compliance of provision of the Fire Code of the Philippines and its IRR shall be done by city municipal fire marshal have this jurisdiction, which means that ang maka-inspect ana niya or ang mo-approve ana niya na kanang facility o kanang buildinga is kuana siya is complies for provision for Fire Code of the Philippines na siya is kailangan nag-agi na siya og kuan municipal marshal, fire marshal kanang jurisdiction or siya may gakuan ba, siya may gabuot or siya may ga-decide or siya may buot og nakapasar ba ng building or wala, wala. Siya may mapirma og kuan ba ni pasado ba na pag-inspect ng usa ka kuan building or structure facility na ga-operate og hazardous operation. Tapos fire safety inspection shall be conducted as a prerequisite to grant a license by local government or other government agencies. No occupancy permit, business, or permit to operate should be issued without security inspection certificate FSIC from the city municipal marshal for having jurisdiction. Also, na mga fire officer, for example, na mga ilahang mga authorized na mo conduct og inspection, mo conduct og prerequisite granting for license for local government and other agencies. Sila may mo survey or mo conduct og evaluation para ang usa ka business makuha siya permit pertaining to fire safety inspection certificate, makakuha siya na granted by the marshal ay municipal fire marshal. Tapos C, in coordination with the building official, the city municipal having jurisdiction shall receive evaluation and access plan building plan review. A. Upon receipt by the city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction of 6 set of the building plan for the building official BO, the customer relation official of the designated staff shall check compliance of documentary requirements, assist the fire code P FCF, and issue order of payment OP to pay at the cashier office of the authority government depository bank AGDB or authorized government servicing bank AGSB by the BFP, which means that in making survey or inspection pertaining to Osaka building, kailangan ang owner sa building is na po na siya bayadan na fee sa pag-inspect sa mga ato ang BFP or ato ang BFP personnel or one person in charge of the inspection. After payment of FCF, the owner of his duly authorized representative copy of the official receipt yung resibo sa na nakabayad na siya sa AGSB by the BFP. B. The plan evaluator shall undertake the necessary evaluation and the view of the plan, indicating whether or not such plan conform to the fire safety and life safety requirement of the Fire Code of the Philippines and its RR. Kailangan pag-evaluate sa plan under necessary evaluation, kailangan tanang requirements under sa IRR is na-apply na tanan. Na-apply tanan nila, na-indicate na tanan ang fire safety and life safety requirement of the Fire Code of the Philippines. C. The chief consolidate and review the findings of the plan evaluator and shall submit without delay the evaluator report and recommendation of the city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction, which means that katong ni conduct og survey og evaluator should submit without delay to the city municipal marshal jurisdiction. Katong nag-inspect sa building or sila authorized na nag-inspect sa building, kailangan ilahang review findings dito ila yung ihatag dayon sa city or municipal fire marshal without delay. Ang ilang evaluation report ila yung ihatag dito para mabasa dayon sa ilang marshal para maaprubahan dayon ang Osaka certificate or qualified ba ang Osaka building or not, nor na ang ilahang criteria sa IRR or Fire Code of the Philippines is if ang requirements sa Fire Code of the Philippines and IRR is na-attach tanan. D. The city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction will either approve or disapprove the evaluated plan together with PFSC. The disapprove application of FSEC will then be transmitted to the customer relation officer for its release, which means that nakadepende ra jud sa city municipal marshal ug ang gikandak na evaluation
inspection
sa Osaka authorized na ni-evaluate sa Osaka building, it iya ba aprobahan or dili or nabay mga lapses sa building unsay mga kailangan pang ibutang para jud mapirmahan ra jud sa kuan. Pero ang gaboto jud na ang maka-decide jud na ay judgment or decision na ay kuan ra jud city or municipal fire marshal. Tapos E, no building plan shall be evaluated without the submission of fire and safety assessment report PALRAE in accordance with the division 3 of the rules, which means that walay building na ma-evaluate without the submission of fire safety assistant report or wala tong authorized na mo inspect sa usa ka building. Dili na siya ma-evaluate o walay mo evaluate pod. Tapos
And also because of the Division 3 documentation of the required periodic maintenance of the fire.
F, the city municipal fire marshal have been jurisdiction through the customary relation officer shall endorse back 5 copies of the approved building plan together with the FSEC and FSC to the building official, which means that if naaprubahan na sa city municipal marshal ang evaluation report is i-endorse dayon sa officer in charge na mukuha ka og 5 copies of the approved, ihatag tong 5 copies that na-approban na ang building plan together with the fire safety checklist and fire safety checklist to the building official. Dire sa AFS hapit humana na ang evaluate sa iyang building, then na-aprobahan na po sa municipal marshal. Ang ginalaman is pag-collect sa mga papers na approved na ang iyang building plan. And that is all my report. Thank you.